Welcome folks, I'm your host Trillionaire, and today we've got a little change in the marketplace. Let's go ahead and have a look at how the market's doing, shall we?
House is burning, looks like on the north side of the road. Lots of them.
What's that? That was the wrong clip? Okay, folks, I apologize for that. I'm getting word from our studio editor that that was the wrong clip. We're going to go ahead and get the appropriate one up immediately. Just a quick look at my portfolio and... oh, God. Dear diary, I've lost everything again. Yeah. Folks, I apologize for that. It seems like we are experiencing some technical difficulties here at the studio. We're going to go ahead and jump a little forward in the program and get some word from a few of the people in the market, perhaps, to give you a little better idea of what's going on and perhaps a little bit of market sentiment. Yeah, on second thought, we'll just go ahead and jump right into the market analysis. All right, folks, we're going to keep this one a little short and sweet. Tomorrow, there will most definitely be an ICO review, but for now, we're going to go ahead and check out these phenomenal markets. Absolutely phenomenal. And I'm giving you my best Trump impression right now, because by phenomenal, I mean it's going in the toilet, folks, and you should sell everything, like right and now, okay? Honestly, don't sell anything. If you're considering buying, not a bad time to buy. We haven't seen markets this slow in some time. Right now, we're seeing about half price of the all-time high, if not a little bit lower than that, for the entire crypto market. Now, that's not the case for the better performing cryptos. We're definitely not seeing half off of their all-time highs. For example, Neo peaked out at about $180, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, I'm involved in Neo. Ethereum peaked out at about $1,300, if I'm not mistaken, and right now it's only about $1,000. And that's one of the major stories of today is Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're actually seeing those trading pairs getting closer and closer and closer together, and a real case for the flipping is beginning to develop. I've seen on some threads on, for example, F-Trader, you know, obviously they're going to be biased over there, that some people think that the flipping is going to occur as soon as 3 days. I think that's a little bit too soon to say. There were other people calling for by a summertime flipping. Honestly, folks, experience tells me that there's no way to be sure about these things. There's too many things that can happen. But Ethereum is a better technology than Bitcoin currently. It has less contentious development going on in it. And the general consensus of pretty much all investors who aren't Bitcoin maximalists is, yeah, Ethereum's going to end up taking the flagship role for the cryptocurrency markets. And I personally think that's going to be better for the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. Now, moving on from that, yes, folks, I am happy to report that we did get a little bit of clarity from a user on Reddit about Tether. He went ahead and messaged Tether and said, "Hello, Tether. I would like to know if $1 Tether is really backed by $1. Best regards." And Tether went ahead and responded, "Yes, it is." Okay, and here we have a user who is very cute by the name of Raven1K. He calls himself a gentleman, and he says, "You guys need to lay off the bought at 20K jokes." He goes on to say, "So many of you were rejoicing when Bitcoin reached its all-time high, and sure, some greedy people got in and put in a lot of money and are possibly gone into debt to do that." Now, to that I say no. Okay, and I did say that we're going to get multiple reactions from people actually invested in the community. So here's Fez, and I guess Fez goes by the name of I'm a special, and he truly is after we read this title, trying to convince yourself that it is just a correction, but losing faith while looking your portfolio going down so hard. I think we all get the point there, and Fez... yeah, Fez is having a difficult time holding on. Hold on, buddy. We're going to get you, okay? And moving on to the next one here. What do we have? We have SUP 2018 by Hefco. And Hefco says, wait a minute. I know how to say this. Losing money is my business, and business is good. Did I get that? I might have got that okay. So just to put this into perspective for you folks, a Reddit user by the name of Severio Petrum, I think that's like a Harry Potter spell or something. I don't know. Anyway, ask him. Severio Petrum posted this, and essentially it puts all the dips into perspective. So we start over here with December 15th through February 1st. And notice the time spans, by the way, folks. We have 3.2 billion, and this is 2014, 2015. You know, we have a major dip, and then it, you know, goes back up a little bit, and it rides sideways for a while. And then we have 2015, 2016. And let me go ahead and move my big head out of the way here. And we have a similar thing going on. We have a significant dip, giving back all the value that it had just gotten in December, right back to the market, and then it goes sideways for just a little bit, and then it goes up, 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 and then it goes away, up, up, and away, baby. And so we go ahead and we roll on to 2016, 2017, and we have a 14.5 billion market cap. And by the way, the last one was 5.9 billion market cap. 2016, 2017, we have December 15th to February 1st, and we had a 14.5 billion market cap on January 12th, and that was the bottom of the dip there after a significant rise during that same period of December 15th to February 1st. And we roll it right on over, and we see December 15th to February 1st of 2017, 2018. We've got, lo and behold, another major dip right during the same time span. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 years in a row for cryptocurrency. There's a pattern here, folks. We get a major spike right towards the end of the year, and then we get a major crash right near the beginning of the year. So, for those of you folks with the weak hands who are wondering whether or not this is the time to sell, let me be the first to say, please do, so the rest of us can buy in cheaper. But if you're wise like the rest of us, maybe you won't sell, maybe you'll hang out, because if we go ahead and we look at the bottom chart here, we actually see that all time through 2017, that all those dips from 2014 all the way through to now basically look like a flat line compared to the amount of massive growth this market has had. Now, naysayers say that the market bubble is going to pop at some point. Well, you know what? Those of us who've been around for a little while, who've been doing our research and finding out about these new cryptocurrencies and staying on top of the news and what's going on with the developments of the different cryptocurrencies, we are not so worried. In fact, we're trying to accumulate more. So please, folks, use this time to accumulate more cryptocurrencies. Do what you can to support the market. And if you can't accumulate more because you already got everything in, hey, good for you. Sit tight. Go take a trip to Ibiza or wherever the hell you want to go. Just go have a good time. Take your girlfriend out somewhere nice to eat for dinner and stop checking your dang Blockfolio. That's going to be it for Trillionaire. I'm going to leave you guys with a little outtake of a sketch that I was going to do that turned into, anyways, peace. Fucking right, I ain't gonna let no little dip affect my mood. We out here fucking bitches and getting money. Cash? What cash? I just bought this presidential Raleigh straight crypto, baby. Hell, if I care, I'll just pay 30 grand for it and the thing don't tick. And I'll tell you what, this dank and this drink I just smoked ain't fake neither.